Today I'm going to show you a new eye look with the Mary Kay new shimmer eyeshadow in Sparkling. There's 3 new shades that are launching from the new holiday collection, and I love that you can use them for holiday in the near future or just for everyday use. I have this eye done already, and this one is more of a silver shade. There is also a champagne and a rosé. So I will show you how to use all of them, but today we're going to start with Sparkling. I'm going to start my shadow with Cashmere Haze. I'm going to apply that in the crease of my eye in a wide application. It is a matte shade, so I'm going to apply that through my crease. This is a very simple eye look, and you can even make it more simple if you don't want to use a darker shade than this. I'm using the Cashmere Haze as my crease color just through my crease, and I'm going to blend it with the blending brush. Next, I'm going to take Espresso, which is a really dark brown color, and apply that just on the outer corner of my crease. You could skip this step if you don't want a more defined crease. I like my eyes to be a little bit on the darker side. And I'm also going to drag it under my lash line right here. So just through the outer corner of my crease, and I'm just going to smudge it in there and blend it out. And then next I am going to apply the new Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner. I already started applying it right around my eyelash line. The reason why you want to make sure you do this last is so that the liner doesn't get toned down by the shimmer and the sparkle. So I always make sure the shimmer and sparkle is dry, then line my eyelashes, line my eye with the liner, and I'm going to finish it off with some mascara. Next I'm going to apply the new liquid shimmer eyeshadow in Sparkling. There's a cute little wand, a flat beaded wand. I'm just going to paint it all over my lid, in the inner corner of my eye, close to my eyelashes, and I'm going to make sure I don't get any of this in my crease. I want to keep this directly only on my lid, and you can make this more shimmery, less shimmery. You can tone it down if you want to by just taking one of your concealer brushes and just kind of smoothing it out, making sure you don't have too much on. And I also like controlling the shimmer by scraping a little bit of it off on my brush first. And then next I am going to apply the new Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner. I already started applying it right around my eyelash line. The reason why you want to make sure you do this last is so that the liner doesn't get toned down by the shimmer and the sparkle. So I always make sure the shimmer and sparkle is dry, then line my eyelashes, line my eye with the liner, and I'm going to finish it off with some mascara. So I did 1 coat of Lash Love, and now I'm doing a 2nd coat of Ultimate. I like to combine my mascaras to get a more defined and voluminous look. You can play with them and do that yourself. It's a great way to figure out what type of mascara look you like. They work really well together, and the look is now complete. There we go. I love these new shimmers. They are very thin going on. They're not overly sparkly, and they are intended to be used mostly just on your lids so that they are not making your creases look more crepey or more wrinkly. That's why you keep them on your lids. So here are the 3 colors together. Which color is going to be your favorite? Champagne, rosé, or Sparkling? Today is the Sparkling. DM me or comment below. I would love to know which one caught your eye.